Assalamualaikum. My wife often tell me how her grandmother, who was a vegetarian, will make this dish for her when she was little. It's called soy sauce rice noodle with tofu. Bông nước tương đỏ hũ. It's full of fiber, protein, and most importantly, it's tasty. Let's do it. Let's start by preparing the noodle. If you can't find fresh noodle where you live, don't worry. You can use semi-dry noodle, which I have used in my previous video. Just boil them in water for about 6 minutes and they turn out just as fresh as the one you get at the market. I've got some veggie to add freshness to the dish. I also like to add cucumber for that extra crunch. We slice it in half, then cut it into thin slices. Now for the soul of this dish, the soy sauce dressing. I love to mix it like this. 9 tablespoons of water, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of chili, and garlic is optional. Now let's move on to the tofu. After rinsing the tofu, cut it into slices, just thick enough to hold their shape when fried. Heat some oil in the pan, just enough to cover about half the thickness of the tofu slice. A little trick, I like to sprinkle some salt into the oil to prevent it from splattering and to give the tofu a hint of salty flavor. Fry the tofu until it turns golden and crispy, flipping each piece to make sure it's evenly fried. Once the tofu is golden brown, take it out and we're almost done. Our tofu looks so crispy. Here are all the ingredients. It looks really refreshing. Now for the final step, assembling the dish. In a bowl, add some chopped lettuce and herb, followed by a portion of noodles. Lay a few slices of cucumber on top. Add the crispy tofu pieces and sprinkle over some roasted peanut for that nutty, crunchy goodness. Finally, drizzle the soy sauce dressing over everything, and there you have it. A simple, comforting, and healthy meal ready to enjoy.
And here we are with our today recipe, soy sauce rice noodle tofu and full of garden. Let's give it a try. Look at this. It looks yummy. It's so greeny. Let's give it a try. We have rice noodle, tofu, peanut, cucumber, lettuce, and mint leaf. Let's give it a try. Let's mix it together with this crispy tofu that we just fried. Okay, let's mix everything together. Let's make it appetizing. Okay, I think it's mixed enough. Okay, let's give it a try. We take one tofu and lettuce and rice noodle. I'm not really expert at my chopstick skill. Bismillah. It's nice. You can feel a little crunchy from the tofu, and the peanut make it more crunchiness. The sauce is just perfect. The soy sauce is just perfect. Delicious. Let's give it another bite. You should try this at home. Delicious. Wow. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.